Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clay pasta machine is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the polymer clay world. It's a game changer for both beginners and experienced artists, offering a quick and efficient way to condition clay, ensuring a smooth and workable consistency. Beyond conditioning, it allows you to create perfectly even sheets, which are essential for various projects, from intricate jewelry to detailed sculptures, and also helps to achieve unique textures. Number 5. Sculpey AS2174 Clay Conditioning Machine. This machine is built to last. It features corrosion-resistant components, ensuring its durability over time. Unlike other machines, it doesn't have plating on the rollers. The design of this machine offers a smoother rolling experience. This helps you achieve the perfect consistency for your clay projects. It makes your work easier and more enjoyable. This machine is designed for optimal performance. It provides a superior experience compared to other machines on the market. You will notice the difference in your clay work. This product is made with high-quality materials. It is built to withstand the rigors of regular use. You can rely on it for all your clay conditioning needs. The package dimensions are 19.3 inches in length, 12.2 inches in width, and 9.6 inches in height. This information is provided for your convenience. It helps you understand the size of the product. What we like. This machine is built to last, thanks to its corrosion-resistant design. It offers smoother rolling, which is great for achieving a consistent texture. If you are looking for a machine that can withstand the test of time and deliver flawless results, you should consider this one. What people say. This tool works very well. The size of the roller is perfect for most projects. I do not find that clay sticks to the roller, so it is easy to use with multiple colors in one session. This product makes the clay soft and easy to work with. This pasta machine holds up so far to the clay crafts that I've done. I enjoy the size of the machine because it definitely works well and is durable when in use. Perfect, just what I needed. Number 4. Clay press machine and cutter kit for jewelry making. This kit has everything you need to start crafting. It includes a polymer clay press machine and a variety of cutters. You can create beautiful jewelry with this kit. The kit includes a press machine, earring cutters, ear studs, paper cards, ear wires, jump rings, ear plugs, bags, and hole punches. It's a comprehensive set to satisfy all your crafting needs. With this, you can make a lot of different crafts. The clay earring cutters are made of high-quality plastic. They are designed to last and won't break or deform easily. These tools will provide long-term service for your crafting needs. With 24 different mold shapes, including hearts, flowers, and stars, the possibilities are endless. You can create a variety of beautiful clay earrings. It allows you to make many different designs. This kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced crafters. It's an ideal choice for workshops and family fun. You can enjoy happy family time with your children at home. Make pendants and assemble them into earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Wear your creations on special occasions like Halloween, Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, and parties. It's a great way to express yourself. What we like. This kit is a crafter's dream, packed with everything you need to get started. It offers versatile earring making possibilities with various molds. If you like to create unique jewelry and enjoy the fun of DIY, you should consider this one. What people say. It has a very smooth operation and the clay comes out perfectly even every single time. It's heavy and sturdy and great for kids mature enough to not stick their fingers in or throw it, but for the little ones you would have to help. Works for any type of clay or synthetic dough, but I really don't recommend anything that has a wet consistency that will stick and tear. Number 3. MAKIN'S USA Professional Ultimate Clay Machine. This machine makes mixing and blending colors incredibly easy. It allows you to achieve thin and even textures with minimal effort. The package comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the machine itself, a table clamp, rollers, and a handle for easy operation. The machine is designed with a wide clay path. This feature allows you to work with larger amounts of clay at once, saving you time and effort. It offers 9 different thickness settings. This gives you precise control over the texture and thickness of your clay creations. The machine is constructed from stainless steel. This ensures its durability and longevity, making it a reliable tool for all your clay projects. What we like. This machine excels at effortless mixing and blending colors, perfect for achieving smooth gradients and intricate designs. It features a wide clay path and multiple thickness settings. If you are looking for a machine that simplifies color blending and delivers professional-looking results, you should consider this one. What people say. The machine works great for polymer clay. It is easy to use. The clay goes through the machine very smoothly. Number 2. Marcato Dough Roller. Introducing the Marcato Dough Roller. This amazing tool helps you make delicious pasta. It's perfect for creating your favorite dishes. With this roller, you can easily make lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini. It's a versatile tool for any pasta lover. Enjoy making different kinds of pasta. For best results, hand wash this roller. This will help to keep it in great condition. It's easy to clean and maintain. It's made of anodized aluminum, which is safe for food processing. The material is colored through oxidation. This ensures durability and safety. This product is easy to use. Simply wipe it clean with a dry brush or cloth. It's a convenient and practical tool for your kitchen. You can find this product exclusively at HIC Herald Import Company. Get yours today and start making fresh pasta at home. Don't miss out on this great product. What we like. This machine is incredibly easy to use and maintain, with a simple wipe clean design. It is made of anodized aluminum for food processing. If you are looking for a machine that is easy to use and clean, you should consider this one. What people say. Works great, easy to use and clean, quality. Solid machine that makes wide thin sheets for ravioli, lasagna, pappardelle, etc. Clamps tightly to the table and the crank and thickness dial work great. Number 1. Pasta Maker Machine, Stainless Steel, Red. This pasta maker has a sleek design with a stylish red casing. It features a stainless steel body and anodized aluminum roller and cutter. It will be a chic addition to any kitchen. Prepare your dough with our simple recipe. Then, pass it through the machine following the instructions. After drying and cooking, enjoy it with your favorite sauce. Store-bought pasta can be cheap. But with this machine, you can make your own fresh pasta. You and your taste buds will never go back to store-bought pasta again. This machine makes lasagna, linguine, and tagliatelle. Use the adjustable dough roller and the cutters to get your noodles to your desired thickness. You can even use it for polymer clay. Cleanup is easy. Simply wipe it down with a dry towel or brush. Do not use water to clean it, as it will cause rust. Detach any accessories and store them in a dry area. What we like. This machine boasts a sleek design that will look great in any workspace. It offers adjustable thickness settings and is easy to clean. If you like a machine that combines style with functionality, you should consider this one. What people say. For clay, this is perfect for this self-described novice clay crafter. Works great, lots of settings. This unit is super sturdy and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.